Welcome back. Let's get started with the S and Z sounds. S, small bus, S. S, Z, the zoo is closed, Z. Z. The S sound, S, is a voiceless sound. You can hear the air escaping like a hiss. S. The Z sound is voiced. You can feel the vibration and hear a buzzing sound. Zzz, zzz. Let's practice. C, Z, C, Z. What's this? It's a C. It's a C. What's that? It's a Z. It's a Z. Sip, zip, sip, zip. What's happening? She's sipping. She's sipping. What's happening? She's zipping. She's zipping. Race, raise, race, raise. What's this? It's a race. It's a race. What's that? It's a raise. It's a raise. Price, prize, price, prize. What's this? It's a price. It's a price. What's that? It's a prize. It's a prize. Good. So you may have noticed that the S sound and the Z sound can be spelled in multiple similar ways. The S sound can be spelled with a C, and the Z sound can be spelled with an S. So start listening and notice how it's different from what you see. Let's review. C, Z. It's a C. It's a Z. Sip, zip. She's sipping. She's zipping. Race, raise. It's a race. It's a raise. Price, prize. It's a price. It's a prize. Excellent job. Keep practicing. Go back to the beginning and do it again with me.